Well, as you can see, this is going to be part 5 of the video, and as you can see, the rain's kind of set in on us. We were worried this was going to happen. Thankfully, it's just drizzling, very slow rain, so we don't have anything to worry about right now as far as floating the pool or anything like that. We started filling this pool yesterday morning about 9 o'clock, and as you can see, we're almost up the Skinner. We had 2 water hoses going at one point. We just got one because I didn't want it to overflow overnight and didn't know how much rain we were going to get. Told us again, fill it up this pink line. We're almost there. We'll be there a little while this afternoon, hopefully. What they did, and again, I've been very impressed with PDL Wine Pools. They came and done a wonderful job. They sent somebody out yesterday just to make sure. They put in a pump. They dug a hole down by the side and put in a pump. Got it all ready to go just in case it rains really hard. You can see they got it draining, but again, this is going to stall things. We're expecting rain. It's kind of, again, it's set in, so it's going to kind of go until probably, today's Saturday, probably go till Tuesday is what they're saying. So we'll just kind of have to wait and see. I'm trying to get out of the rain. I'm tired of getting wet, so bear with me for a second. But you can kind of see a wider angle of what's going on here. We're going to sort of wait it out. You can see it's almost up on, it is up on the ledge now. It's hard to see through that screen, I do apologize. It's up on the ledge now. Just a waiting game until the rain stops. Stay tuned, click like and subscribe, and we'll have more parts to it as soon as we do something else.